Hello guys, in this episode of Design Highlight, we'll take a look at Athena Productions, a concept art studio, visual development studio in London. So there's a number of fantastic artworks here, a number of different atmospheres, moods, everything from sci-fi cities to ruins to fantasy landscapes, creatures, lots of good stuff here. Let's take a look. First up, we've got this Onyx robot, a really creepy robot. You can tell because it's got the human skull elements in it. I mean, nothing makes a robot scary than just having a human skull for its head. So Athena Productions is very good at having very dramatic camera angles and composition. And so it just really, very cinematic, really invites you just to kind of scan through the environment. Very good use of shadow and lights to kind of draw your eyes. Here, for example, our eyes are drawn towards the two explorers here. But you've got some creepy things in the darkness kind of creeping in, and some nice mist and fog here. So overall, just they're very good at guiding your eyes to the image. This is a very nice sci-fi city street. Nyx Industries. This one's called Leap of Faith. Looks like somebody's getting to some sort of a time traveling device or some sort of portal device. A bunch of soldiers. So like this is very epic lighting, guys, and it's very kind of cinematic lighting. You can really tell that this one, something major is happening here. Then you can see all the soldiers, all very well defined. So like you can tell what the story is just by the composition. A very good composition here. A very good use of lights that really draw your attention. This one is Biolab. Temple entrance. I mean, images like this just make me want to explore. And there's a lot of mystery here. There's lots of nice darkness here, and then kind of the light here, so our eyes are drawn towards this. And then like the character showing up here, we can see the scale, how small the character is compared to the temple entrance. There seems to be some sort of blood or some sort of redness in the river here, which looks mysterious. A nice use of kind of foreground elements here to kind of border the image. Some birds flying through here, some fog. So just a very perfectly done concept art that really evokes mystery and desire to explore. Here we got this kind of robot character working on some sort of human flesh creatures. The Watcher is a higher being tinkering away with genetics to slice the perfect version of humans and metas. The sarcophagus. Just a very epic scale, guys. Very epic scale and scope here. Very dramatic. Very beautiful. This is the Dragon's Roost Tavern. Castle in the Sky. Common Room. Evokes feelings of Dead Space, definitely. Alright guys, that has been Athena Productions. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.